salamat. Okay, ito naman, maraming OFW ang nawala ng trabaho at ipon dahil sa pandemya. Kaya naman, napakahalaga ng financial planning para sa kanila. Narito ang aming special report.
Malaki ang kita pero malayo sa pamilya. Yan ang tingin ng marami sa overseas Filipino workers o mga OFW. Pero sa katunayan, marami sa kanila ang hirap din sa gastusin. Sa unang kalahati ng 2023, pumalo sa mahigit 1.2 million ang bilang ng mga OFW. Inaasahang dodoble pa yan sa hanggang 2.5 million sa pagtatapos ng taon.
Marami sa atin ang may kamag-anak na OFW. Ang ilan sa kanila sa Pilipinas pa rin planong magretiro. Pero hindi lahat ay nakakauwing may sapat na ipon.
Sa dami ng gastusin, may mga pangangailangang maaaring hindi nabibigyang prioridad tulad ng life insurance.
Gaano kahalaga ang financial planning at security para sa ating mga OFW at paano nila ma-achieve yung financial security?
Ang nakikita ko kasing challenges dyan, Maui, kumbaga parang they are not financially educated on how to manage their finances. I have witnessed that. Ako din na-experience ko yun kasi my husband is an OFW before and alam mo ba magpapadala siya ng remittances month in, month out, ubos yun.
Isinasantabi muna ng maraming OFW ang usaping insurance at pag lumipas ang panahon, sakalang ito pinaglalaanan ng budget.
Actually, yung misconception about insurance policies, iniisip kasi nila ang mahal ng insurance policies. Kaya nga, that is where financial education comes in.
Base po sa ating research, isa sa ating frequently asked questions is, can OFW still get insurance even if nakalipad na sila ng ibang bansa?
As part of insurance regulations, OFWs cannot avail insurance policies while they are working abroad, or while they are overseas. That is why it is important na bago sila umalis, they avail of it, and maybe o kaya pagbalik nila, kuha na sila agad. While they are productive and while they are healthy, that is the best time for them to get insurance.
Meron naman daw abot kayang insurance policy na tiyak na mapakikinabangan hindi lang ng mga OFW, kundi pati ng kanilang mga pamilya.
ProLife have just launched a product which is called ProLove for Life. It is a very, very flexible insurance policy wherein you can be covered, guaranteed lifetime coverage siya for 1 million pesos for as low as 77 pesos per day. Ang kagandahan nito, very flexible ang payment terms niya. They can have parang payment term for like 5 years, 10 years, 50 years, or even 20 years. Tapos, covered sila up to 100 years old.
Hindi na raw kailangang maghintay ng matagal na panahon para mapakinabangan ang produktong ito.
Kagandahan kasi ng insurance ngayon, dati kasi ang insurance parang death benefit lang para sa loved one. Ngayon kasi nag-evolve na siya. Ang insurance ngayon, they offer living benefits, but it can offer mga benefits for our future retirement, for our medical needs in the future. Dito kasi kay ProLife, we make financial security very accessible and affordable for OFWs and their loved ones. Kasi that is our commitment. That is ProLove.